So for Knott's Berry Farm, we went for Knott's Spooky Farm, which is their daytime Halloween event, so I dressed up as some kind of Wednesday Addams Hot Topic reject. Knott's Berry Farm, I believe, is the oldest theme park in the US, having recently turned 100, if I'm not wrong. They have daytime shows that just take place on the street. I hope you can hear this. And they also have some of the best coasters I've ever seen and ever been on. I feel really lucky that I've seen Knott on a Train Couple video, which is where I'd also first seen Great Wolf Lodge. And I'm not gonna lie, it's actually down to the Train Couple in part that we chose these two locations for part of our holiday because I'd seen how awesome they looked. I'm completely obsessed with the boardwalk area at Knott's though. Boardwalk and Ghost Town are probably my favourites. Now this ride is really nice. I believe it's in the Snoopy area of the park, and it gives you a great little overview of the park, and you can also see sort of quite far off if it's a really clear day. We seem to have a bit of low cloud, but it was really nice just to be able to see everything anyway.
We would like to now direct your attention to outside the window as we turn the time protection issue. To the south, you will see N-Top, which takes riders up a 15-story red hill and straight down at the top until it's coming down to 96-degree drop. To the east, you will see many sites within our Ghost Town, Fiesta Village, and Camp Snoopy. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber House Mountain. It was the first theme park balloon house when opened in 1967 and remains to this day one of our most popular attractions. Just beyond those tall pine trees, where you'll be able to set up camp with a peanut game. Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children from 12 years of age. In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar attraction. A family roller coaster sends passengers on an exciting tour around Fiesta Village, particularly from Montezuma's Revenge and around the Club Tour.
Yeah, the posters here are just amazing. So I wanted to try some of the Halloween food because I know the food at Knott's is amazing. This was a zombie burger, which honestly, that bright green would not fly in Europe, guys. Just making you aware. We then got to meet Vampire Snoopy. This was totally by chance, and I got so excited and very, very involved. I also thought that this was the best place to take a photo. Eden discovered the Snoopy shop and also discovered that they're playing Charlie Brown. And then I discovered Karopi, which no idea why Karopi is at Knott's, but I am always happy to see him. Knott's. A beautiful place. Honestly, I would definitely recommend it. It was one of my favourite theme park experiences, which is I think also why there's so little video, because I was just so busy being involved in it and having fun and playing with these amazing spooky farm, scary farm photo props. So thanks for watching, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you real soon.